Hi, welcome again, and in today's video I want to explain something to you guys. I want to show you the best 6 online business you can start today and use it to make money for yourself in 2022. So these are the best online business out of the time of recording this video in 2022. Okay, you can do more than one depending on how good you are and the time you can dedicate on each of them, and you can easily pick two and you can start with two. But as a beginner, I will advise you pick one and build and scale, and as a matter of time before spreading to other businesses. Okay, so these are the proven online businesses that you can start today and you can start making money for yourself. Easy to start up. So if you are new here in this channel, welcome to my community. My name is Uhunoma Evans, and on this channel it's all about business, influence, and impact. So if you want to build your business, this is the best place to be. So if you are new here, tap the subscribe button to join this community and let me know in the comment section which of this online business you want to run and start with. So with that said, and without wasting much of our time, let's jump into this video. So the first online business I'll be talking about is freelancing. So what is freelancing? Freelancing simply means using your skills or your time to get job done for people, but not as an employee. So you have skills or you have time, and there are other businesses and individuals who need your skills, service, and time. They hire you for that period of time temporarily. You help them get the work done and you get paid. So 90% of people making money online today started as a freelancer. I started as a freelancer. So this is the best place to start from for every beginner. You don't need to build a website, you don't need to be popular, you don't need to run ads. All you need is to create the time to sell your service and your skill. So you can be a freelancer as a visual assistant, as a graphic designer, as a copywriter, as a web designer, as a video editor, as a voiceover artist, as a whiteboard animation artist, and you can also be a web developer. Now, the language of freelancing is skills. There are several freelancing platforms out there you can get started with. All you have to do is to sign up, optimize your profile, set up your gig. Companies and individuals who need your service will come and hire you, and when they hire you, you get the work done for them and they pay you in dollars. So the best part of freelancing is that you get paid in dollars, and every 4 seconds someone gets paid as a freelancer. Signing up as a freelancer is 100% free, guys. So, and they will never ever ask you to pay any money. So all you have to do is just to get the work done. Just make money. That's the language. So the good thing about freelancing is everybody has equal chance to succeed and make thousands of dollars for themselves. So there are several freelancing platforms out there. We have Upwork.com, we have Freelancer.com, we have TaraWorks, that's a Nigeria based. We have Kworks, we have Fiverr.com, and we also have GoWork.com. Right? When it comes to making money online, it starts here. Everybody making money online today majorly starts here because it doesn't require or it doesn't involve you spending any money. Let me know in the comment section if freelancing is what you are considering to start up with. All right. So the next business model I'll be talking about is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you selling other people's product or service, and you get paid a commission for every successful sale or conversion. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to create the product or service. This is the same business model Amazon, Uber, and the likes practice. All you have to do is just to connect the buyer to the seller. It's more of you being a middleman here. So the language of affiliate marketing is traffic. All you need is to consistently drive traffic to your offers. So there are a lot of ways you can generate traffic. You can use free traffic or you can use paid traffic. All you have to do is just to drive traffic to that offer. So you don't need a product. You don't need to have a product or service. Someone else have the product already. All you have to do is to recommend that product and get paid a commission. There are a lot of affiliate platforms you can enroll on. We have ClickBank, we have JBZoos, and the likes. And in Nigeria, we have Expatnia and Lenoflix. We also have fintech platform or companies you can also enroll as an affiliate marketer. We have Piggyvest. We also have email marketing platform. Okay, we have GetResponse. and the likes. Okay, so we have Jumia's, Konga, Amazon. You can easily be an affiliate for this platform. Affiliate marketing is a very big and wide business model you can start up today. So the next business model we'll be talking about is e-commerce. What does this mean? Smart e-commerce is all about searching for physical products that solve a problem for people or help them get closer to their desires. You can get this product from China or look for people in your area or companies in your area who have this product, and you get this physical product at a very cheap rate or the lowest cost possible. Import them to Nigeria or get them from near or your close by, and market and sell them at a very good profit. You can run Facebook ads, you can use WhatsApp to sell these goods to people who need this product. A lot of people are spending most of their time online today, so you can easily get this product for them and ship it to them once they place order. E-commerce might require you some money to get started, and is very easy to start up. Alright, so let's move to the next business model. So the next business model we'll be talking about is Amazon Kindle Publishers, also known as Amazon KDP. So this is either you publishing your book or publishing a low content book on Amazon. So this is very easy. You don't need to be an author or a publisher. You just need to create a book and Amazon will take care of the rest. Amazon KDP is one of the lucrative online business right now. One of the hottest online business right now you can leverage on. So, but you have to learn the tactics and how to optimize your book so that it can sell well. So these things are very easy to learn. What you have to do is just to dedicate your time and go through the learning curve, and you are good to go. So without wasting much of our time, let's move on to the next business model. So the next business model you can start up today, the next best business model is YouTube. So YouTube pay creators for their content when their channel get monetized by reaching 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hour in the past 12 months. So when you reach that threshold, YouTube will start placing ads on your video. YouTube is one of the ways you can start making money online. If you can start and you can stay consistent, you give value, create great content. So if you can do these things, you are on your way. You can also start making money through paid partnership, paid membership, ads, affiliate marketing on YouTube. So even without you getting monetized or getting to 1K subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, you can easily start making money through paid partnership and affiliate marketing. The best thing about YouTube is that YouTube pay you doing what you love. So if you are someone who loves teaching, creating content and creating videos, YouTube is the best shot for you. So the last and the next business model we're talking about in this video is information marketing. Information marketing is a huge money maker. This is not going to go slow anytime soon, because the world will continue to get complex and people are going to be needing help with figuring out a lot of things. And the good part is that schools can't keep up. So the demand for helpful information keeps rising, which creates a huge opportunity for you and I. This is you selling information product mostly in digital format. There is something you know or there's something you are good at, you can create a product and people will pay you for it. And one thing about information product is that you must be good at that thing before you can create a product for it, because you must go through the curve. So if you are good at freelancing, you can easily create an information product on freelancing. You are good in baking, you can easily create an information product on baking. It can be a course, it can be an ebook, and it can be a webinar. Right? So these are the 6 best online businesses you can do. I believe this help. So just pick one of these businesses and scale it within 6 months. Give yourself 6 months, give one of these businesses and scale it. So what you have to do is that you have to learn these businesses. These businesses is not what you can jump into and you can start doing today and start making money tomorrow. At first, you have to go through the learning curve. You have to put in the work. You have to be consistent, and you will start seeing results. So these are the best 6 online businesses you can start today in 2022, and you can scale online. So go to the comment section and tell me which of these businesses you are willing to start up today. So tell me which one you are pursuing and which one you are willing to start up. Remember, it's all about learning and putting in the work. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I believe this video helped. So if you are willing to get started with these businesses and you are looking for a way to get started, you can easily check the description. Alright guys, so I believe this was helpful. I believe you got value. Thanks for watching, and I'll I believe you enjoyed this video and I believe you learned something. Remember to give this video a like and please subscribe to this channel so that you can stay connected to this community, because more exclusive and educating and valuable content will be coming your way from this channel. I know you don't want to miss out. Click on the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop great content. So click on the like button, comment below, tell me which of these businesses you are willing to start and how you are going to start it. So thanks for watching this video. I believe you got value. See you next time. Bye for now.